School taught you algebra, history, and science, but it never taught you how to build wealth. The real world is brutal if you don't understand money. But don't worry, I've got you covered. These are 7 important rules for mastering financial literacy. Rule 1. Master budgeting. Ever wonder why your bank account runs dry before the month even ends? It's not about how much you make, it's about how well you manage it. Without a budget, your money will control you instead of the other way around. Budgeting is not about restricting yourself, it's about giving every dollar a purpose. The first step? Track every expense for 30 days. Most people don't realize how much they spend on things they don't actually need. Once you see where your money is going, you can start cutting wasteful spending and redirecting it toward your goals. A proven method to follow is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs like rent, food, bills, and transportation. 30% for wants such as dining out, entertainment, and shopping. 20% for savings and investments like retirement, an emergency fund, and growing wealth. To make budgeting effortless, automate your savings and bill payments. Pay yourself first before spending on anything else. Want to save more? Try the pay yourself first rule. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investments the moment you get paid. A strong budget isn't about saying no to fun, it's about saying yes to financial freedom. It helps you live comfortably today while securing your future. Without a plan, your money disappears. With a plan, your money works for you. The choice is yours. Rule 2. Develop skills to acquire assets. What if I told you that the key to wealth isn't in your paycheck, but in your skills? Your ability to earn money is directly tied to what you know and how well you use it. Most people spend years working for money, but the wealthy use their skills to create income-generating assets. If you want to earn more, focus on developing high-income skills like sales, marketing, investing, coding, or content creation. These skills open doors to better-paying jobs, side hustles, and business opportunities. But learning isn't enough. You must turn your skills into assets. If you're great at writing, create an e-book or blog that makes money. If you understand social media, start a marketing agency. If you know finance, invest in stocks or real estate. The goal is to build something that makes money even when you're not working. Here's the reality. A job can disappear. A paycheck can stop. But your skills and assets stay with you forever. The more you invest in learning, the more control you'll have over your financial future. Start now and build wealth on your terms. Rule 3. Build multiple streams of income. If your paycheck disappeared today, how long could you survive? Most people rely on a single source of income, but the wealthy don't take that risk. They build multiple income streams to stay financially secure. So should you. The key to financial freedom is diversification. Start by building an extra income source outside your job. This could be a side hustle, like freelancing, selling digital products, or consulting. Then, focus on passive income. Invest in dividend stocks, rental properties, or create an online business that generates money even while you sleep. Think of income like a chair. If it only has one leg, it's unstable. But if you add more legs, it stands strong. Even if one stream dries up, the others keep you financially protected. Don't wait until it's too late. Start building multiple income streams today and secure your financial future. Rule 4. Don't invest in what you don't understand. Would you hand over your life savings to a stranger and just hope for the best? Of course not. But that's exactly what happens when you invest in something you don't understand. Investing is one of the best ways to build wealth, but it can also be the fastest way to lose money if you don't know what you're doing. Too many people jump into stocks, real estate, or crypto just because they heard it's a good investment. But if you don't understand how it makes money or the risks involved, you're not investing, you're gambling. Before investing in anything, Ask yourself, how does this investment make money? What are the risks? Do I understand it well enough to explain it to someone else? Smart investors don't follow hype, they follow knowledge. Start small, do your research, and invest in what you truly understand. Building wealth is about making smart decisions, not just quick ones. Rule 5. Debt is a powerful but dangerous weapon. Debt is like fire. It can cook your food or burn your house down. The secret? Knowing how to control it before it controls you. Most people think debt is always bad, but that's not true. The real problem isn't debt itself. It's how you use it. Some people take loans and get richer, while others take loans and get stuck in financial stress for years. The difference? Financial discipline. There are two types of debt. Bad debt. This is money borrowed for things that lose value. Credit cards for shopping, car loans, vacations, or gadgets. These don't make you money. They take money out of your pocket every month. Good debt. This is debt that works for you. Buying a rental property, investing in a profitable business, or funding education that increases your earning power. This kind of debt puts money back in your pocket. So how do you use debt wisely? Before borrowing, ask yourself, will this debt make me more money in the future? If the answer is no, don't take it. And if you must borrow, have a clear repayment plan to avoid drowning in interest payments. The rich use debt to build wealth. They borrow to invest. The poor use debt to stay broke. They borrow to spend. Which side do you want to be on? The choice is yours. Rule 6. Think rich. The biggest difference between rich and broke people isn't their bank account, it's their mindset. If you don't train your mind for wealth, no amount of money will ever make you rich. Most people stay broke because they focus on limitations instead of opportunities. They say, I can't afford this, instead of asking, how can I afford this? They focus on cutting expenses instead of increasing income. The truth, you can't save your way to wealth. You must earn, invest, and grow. Wealthy people think bigger. They don't waste time obsessing over small costs. They focus on building businesses, increasing skills, and creating opportunities. They see money as a tool for freedom, not something to fear. So how can you shift your mindset? Start thinking like the rich. Invest in yourself. Learn high-income skills that open doors to bigger opportunities. Surround yourself with success. Your environment shapes your thinking. Take smart risks. Every wealthy person has stepped out of their comfort zone. The way you think directly impacts the way you earn, save, and invest. If you believe you can be rich, you'll take actions that lead to wealth. If you don't, you'll stay stuck. Think rich, act rich, and wealth will follow. Rule 7. Protect your wealth. You work hard for your money, so why leave it unprotected? One unexpected event can wipe out everything you've built in an instant. The solution? Prepare before disaster strikes. Most people focus on earning and spending, but very few think about protecting their money. The truth is, one crisis can drain your savings if you don't have a plan. Job loss, medical emergencies, or accidents can put you in serious financial trouble overnight. That's why you need two essential safety nets: an emergency fund and insurance. An emergency fund is your financial shield. Save at least 3 to 6 months of expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This ensures you can handle financial shocks without going into debt. But savings alone aren't enough. You need insurance to protect yourself from major financial losses. Without it, a single accident or illness could wipe you out. Essential types of insurance. Checkmark health insurance. It covers unexpected medical expenses. Life insurance. It ensures your family's financial security. Disability insurance. It replaces income if you can't work. Home and auto insurance. It protects against financial disasters. The wealthy don't just grow their money, they protect it too. If you want true financial security, start protecting your wealth today. The worst time to prepare is when it's already too late. Financial freedom starts with mastering these 7 rules. Apply them, take control of your money, and build wealth. Like subscribe to Money on Point and comment on your biggest financial lesson.